Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, September 27th. I have a beautiful spring-like collection and then we're going to move into some fall. So first of all, I want to show you this beautiful panel, which is the jumping off point for the collection that we're going to be looking at today. The collection is called Among the Branches, which includes 16 bolts, and then we have pre-cuts and of course these panels. Birds and butterflies flit among the branches in this new collection from Susan Winget for Wilmington Prints. And here's a really pretty border piece. Let's open that up and look at that. I love that watercolor look, as you guys probably know. Where's the rest of my description? Botanical artwork in pastel tints of pink, blue, and spring green. I like how kind of randomized that is. It's kind of splotchy. You can almost see leaves in there or feathers. It's really pretty. And since it's a big collection, we're going to flip through it fairly quickly because I still have two more exciting things to share with you after we check these out. There's some pretty butterflies. I like that these aren't so pastel-y because normally butterflies only come in pastels, and this is more like kind of red and yellow, which is fun. And then we have that same print on a pink background. And I'm blocking myself in with fabric, so let me see if I can make a move here so that I can actually get to the rest of it. Look at that. That looks very Monet. And then we have that same print in pink, and there's one under that. We've got it in blue with little purple dots on it. And then here is a nice toss of birds and butterflies and some little words. I'm not sure what it says because I'm reading it upside down. Maybe you can read it. And then we've got a watercolor floral piece. Ooh, I'm making a tower over here. And then we have a couple of wildflower pieces. That one's very pretty. And the same piece on light green. And then some smaller florals. I think all good collections have large prints and small prints to complement each other. And then we have that in a very nice spring blue, yellow, and white with some green. Oh, and here's this again. We've already seen this on a blue background. Now we see it on green. And look at all these little colorful chickadees over here. We have that on pink and on green. There's the green background. And then in addition, if 16 bolts wasn't enough for you, we do have the 2.5-inch strips and the 5-inch charms and the 10-inch charms. And if that wasn't enough for you, we have 12 free patterns to make this quilt, which is 64 inches by 84 inches. And the first 12 panel purchasers will receive this pattern in their panel package. So it's several pages and it's free courtesy of Wilmington Prints. So if you love this, go ahead and order or come in and grab the panel and the free pattern will be in with it. Woo. All right, there we go. That is again called Among the Branches. I know we've had a couple of people asking us for this already, so they're going to be really happy that it's here. And now we're going to move from spring, summer to fall. This is a very anticipated and very exciting quilt kit. This is called Third Weekend in October. If anyone has it finished by third weekend in October, I'm going to be really impressed. This kit is Kaffe Fassett shot cottons and Kaffe Fassett fabrics, which you can kind of get a cross view there. There are 25 yards of fabric in this kit. 25 yards of fabric in this kit. The finished size of the quilt is 85 by 110. So it's a combination of a little bit of paper piecing for the little stems on the leaves and then standard half square triangle and square piecing. So these are amazing. We're very excited about them. I know Lori, our inventory manager, and I are going to tag team putting one of these together. And we had this in the store about half a year ago. So hopefully you were able to see it, or I may even link back to that video so you can really appreciate it in real life, because in real life it is much more vibrant, as you might imagine, with Kaffe Fassett fabrics than it is here in this picture. But we're very excited to have them in, and they are now available for sale. The last thing I want to share is a vendor preview for our handmade market. These are the wonderful candles of Amanda McClure of Manda Pandas. They are beautiful to look at. They are beautiful to smell. If you had smell-o-vision, you could just come right on in and smell that. This particular scent is mulled wassail chestnuts, so a very wintry scent. And her little bio says Manda Pandas is a woman-owned business out of Durham, North Carolina, that sells beautifully crafted soy wax candles in a wide range of scents. Other products include bath bombs and sugar scrubs made with soothing natural oils, and every product is made with all natural ingredients and soy much love. And these, I burn these all the time, and I might be Manda Panda's biggest fan. So she actually gave me 4 of these, and one of them's at my house, and it's already started burning. But this apple pie one, it actually has a little sliver of dried apple in it. So they do really nice work, and Amanda herself is full of life, full of love, just a very delightful person. And the reason she started making soy candles is a very sweet story as well. So I'll be sure to link to the About Us page on her website so you can read that for yourself. As a reminder, our handmade market is in about, well, less than 3 weeks now. It's on October 15th here at the shop. We have a total count of 28 vendors all around the outside of the store. They're going to be all down the side there, the side parking lot, and there's now going to be several in our meeting center. So I hope that you can attend. If you can't attend, try to show the vendors some love on our market page, which I will link. And all the vendors are doing giveaways. So these 3 candles are all giveaways by Manda Panda. So if you'd like to be entered to win one of these great candles, all you have to do is comment where you're seeing the video, either Facebook or YouTube, or both if you want to double your chances. And we will be drawing for these probably later this week, maybe Friday. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.